Good morning everyone, my name is William. I'm happy to show you today the final project I realized for CS50 in 2022. My project is a web application called Parking Manager. I started this project from a problem statement which was to find a solution for workers in my office who wanted to book automatically and manage themselves parking slots in the building. On the login page you have two features, the login button or the sign up button. So let's first sign up. The website requires you to input your name, so mine is William. Then the browser via the HTML code detects automatically that the next input tag is a password. Safari then suggests me a strong password to use, so let's use it. And finally, you have to enter your email address for authentication purposes. Once you are signed up, the application will ask you to register a new car. You can pick up in the drop-down list 3 different types of vehicles, and you have to input the related plate number, so for instance 1234, and you click Add a new car. Once those steps are finalized, you are redirected to the main page where you can see 2 tables, the one on the top which lists all your bookings. It displays the parking number you reserved, the car, and also the date of bookings. And the second table shows you your car fleet. Let's assume I have a new car. We can click on the button to have a new one. We are automatically redirected to the page we just saw before. Let's try to hijack the system by inputting the same plate number, and as you will see, of course, the system rejects the request and displays an error message as the plate number already exists in the database. So let's try with another plate number, 123456. Click Add a new car and it works. We can now try to do a new booking by clicking on the related button. The system redirects you on the booking page where you can choose a start date, so assume next Monday, and you can pick up one of your existing car. Once you confirm your booking, the application redirects you back to the index, and you will observe that the system assigned you automatically a parking number based on the last availabilities in the garage for the required period. Of course, if I try to book a parking slots for the same dates, the system will also reject the requests and will display an error message in the main page. So you will see you already have a parking for this date. Similarly, if I try to book something for yesterday, the application will also display an error message saying that you can't select a date before today, so you have to retry. And finally, if you choose an end date before the start date, the system will also display an error message saying that there is an error in the selected dates. Let's come back to home. Let's try to delete all my cars. There is a pop-up message created with JavaScript. You press OK. And now try to do a new booking. But of course, you will not be able to proceed before you register once again at least one car in your environment. So let's do it again. I choose a sedan with 12345, add a new car, and that's it. So let's try a final example with a new user. We will try to book a parking slot for the same date. We sign up with a new username. Let's say Peter. We use a suggested password and we use a fake email address, peter@gmail.com. We log in and we register a new car, SUV, plate number 5678. We add a new car and we try to do a new booking. Let's book similar dates next Monday, 14th of March. I choose my pre-registered card and voila, you will see that the system automatically assigns the next available parking number in the system. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial about my project. If you have any comments or suggestions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment below or to have a look on the related repo on my GitHub. See you!